Phantom 10.
Okay. So I knew he was roosted on that tree line about in the middle of the slope. There's no way, it's so loud in here, there's no way I was going to be able to crest this without him hearing me, unless I was 3 hours early. And then down there was really nowhere good to hide and still be reasonably close. Plus I thought this would give him a nice trajectory for pitch down, but he didn't. He landed like in the bottom and then walked up. But I set up so I had a shooting window right there. I was in there tucked away. I was worried about the sun rising, lighting me up here, which there's no sun today. But this weather sucks. I think I got everything. Hope so. Getting ready for the walk back. Luckily it's only maybe a quarter mile to the truck, so not bad at all.